Ahead of assembly elections later this year, a Gujarat Congress promise for cheap housing for women has snowballed into a major controversy in the state. Pre-poll SOPs are of course common across party lines, but this one's gone a step further. The Congress has actually distributed forms asking people to sign up. But then what happens to that promise if they don't win?
Everyone waiting for a form that promises houses to women in Gujarat at extremely low prices. The Congress, in its bid to get Gujarat back from Modi, has launched this scheme. Homes for women, both earning as well as housewives. To begin with, targeting unemployed women from below poverty line strata. They get free land and will have to pay between just 75,000 to 2 lakhs for construction. A desperate political SOP or a legitimate offer. For these hopefuls, it doesn't matter. Neither does the outcome of the polls.
मकान का फॉर्म लेना।
मकान का फॉर्म। तो अगर कांग्रेस कल सत्ता में आएगी तो आपको मकान देगी। अगर नहीं आई तो?
क्या बताऊँ? नहीं आएगा।
भी कुछ नहीं मिला हमको। हमको ऐसा नहीं 10 वर्ष से हम भाड़ा भर रहे हैं।
आपको लगता है इस स्कीम से आपको फायदा होगा?
हाँ तो क्यों नहीं होगा?
Congress says it has dispatched 25 lakh such forms to rural and urban sectors, but its skeptics argue that the Congress's distribution of such forms was unfair because it legitimizes a SOP even before the outcome of the poll battle. But the party insists it's part of its 12-point people development vision or its manifesto.
40 साल के गुजरात के शासन में कांग्रेस ने गरीबों को सिर्फ 12 लाख मकान दिया हुआ है और ये 11 साल नरेंद्र मोदी का विकास का जो रहा है वो 11 साल में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने 20 लाख से ज्यादा गरीबों को मकान दिया हुआ है।
तो आज लोग समझने लगे कि नरेंद्र मोदी मूर्ख बनाने की बात करता है, किसी को कोई लाभ नहीं मिलता है। अगर कांग्रेस की सरकार आएगी तो हम आपको भरोसा देते, विश्वास देते कि 5 साल के शासन में गुजरात में 15 लाख से ज्यादा जो गृहिणी के पास घर नहीं है उसको घर बना के हम देंगे।
So while Akhilesh Yadav's free laptops in UP and Jayalalitha's free gold Mangal Sutra for poor in Tamil Nadu seem to have helped electorally in their respective states, the Congress in Gujarat hoping this scheme could also help the party halt Modi's march to power. In Ahmedabad with camera person Pramod Arya, Rohit Maan for NDTV.
So we're asking whether pre-poll promises have gone too far this time. We've seen other parties do it over the years. We've seen laptops being promised, Mangal Sutras, cows, televisions, you name it, it's all been out there. We have Jainarayan Vyas of the Gujarat BJP joining us tonight in this segment. But first, let me take this question to Renuka Chaudhary. Renuka, you know, is it really fair to promise, firstly you promise people cheap housing, okay great, if you can do that, that's wonderful. But to actually have them come and sign forms, build up their expectations that, you know, this is something that could happen. What if you lose the election?
Nidhi, we don't look at the outcome of whether we win or lose. This is our commitment to the people. Anytime 2 years before election, if it's going to appear that it's only an election song, then that's a tragic thing. Because where is the position that we can't give? How do you know that we won't be able to deliver?
If we come to power.
This is not just a short-term vision for the elections. This is something that we have been committed to. They have been reflected in our manifestos across various states in different poll situations.
So are you So the timing is just like a complete coincidence here, and you're going to go ahead with it?
You know, the tragedy is that they were feeling very miffed. The BJP is feeling very miffed, particularly Mr. Modi. They must be very upset because this has upset the apple cart.
No, we would be delighted if they provided it all over the country.
And then we've upped them on that. So that's all that they feel.
No, Jainarayan Vyas,
what about Maharashtra? I would like to know what about Maharashtra.
But let me ask, what is wrong in us giving?
How are you going to pay for this?
I mean,
where is the money going
to?
Are you saying, Renuka Chaudhary, that even if the Congress doesn't win this election in Gujarat, that you will still go ahead and build this cheap housing? Where will this money come from to build that?
Nidhi, that is between the people and us. If the people believe in us, which they will, because we have delivered on so many fronts across the country over history.
So it's a private ploy.
And if they believe in us, we will deliver.
Why don't you deliver?
Where is Mr. Modi and company and all of them? They deciding that they are going to bring this and X, Y, and Z. Where are they going to get it from?
But he's the. I mean, they're at least in government.
Let's face it. We are a little larger in our strength all over the country, and we've never hesitated when it comes to
audio quality is very poor.
Okay, Mr. Vyas, I hope you can hear me. Can you hear me, Mr. Vyas?
See, Nidhi, understand one thing. Nobody is against the needy and poor who do not have the shelter getting the shelters. If that's a genuine offer. In fact, the track record of BJP is much better than that of Congress.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.